In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube to LG TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using YouTube directly on your LG TV is extremely simple. YouTube has a native app developed for smart TVs, and it is bundled with most modern LG TVs. So, to check if yours has the YouTube application, all that you have to do is go over to the home screen. So tap on the home screen icon on your controller or your remote. And now you will see all of the applications here on this strip. Of course, different models might have different interfaces, but in general, you should see all of the icons referring to each application that is currently bundled and already set up on your TV. And they should include YouTube alongside YouTube Kids or even YouTube TV. If you don't see them here, then what you have to do instead is choose the apps option. Usually the apps option will be all the way to the left or all the way to the right, and it can look like this. So this is another interface, a different example. You will have to go into the apps screen, and in here use the search function to look for YouTube. So open all of the applications and search for YouTube, and you will find it here. And it is just like downloading an application for your smartphone. You will download the YouTube app that is developed for the LG TV, and upon opening it up, you can sign in with your account. It is going to ask you to sign in through a web browser on your computer or your phone, and then you connect your account to the TV using a specific code. This way, all of your playlists, your liked videos, all of the recommended stuff will be directly imported over, and you don't have to worry about searching for everything again, because the algorithm will see your account. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, there is something I want to note. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you want to help us grow the channel and make high quality videos, your subscription would be most appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.